Akash Network, the world's first decentralized and open source cloud, accelerates deployment, scalability, and efficiency in high growth industries such as blockchain and machine learning. Known as the Airbnb of cloud computing, Akash Network provides a fast, efficient, and low cost application delivery solution. Developers leveraging Akash Network can access cloud computing for up to 3 times lower cost than centralized cloud service providers such as Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. The Akash Network is secure, transparent, and decentralized cloud computing marketplace that connects those with IT resources, the tenants, with those with computing capabilities to rent providers. Akash acts as a super cloud platform, providing a unified layer above all providers on the market, in accordance with the provider they are using. Let's talk about the history of Akash Network. Adam Bozanic and Greg Osuri are the founders of Akash Network project, which was born in January 2018 in San Francisco. Akash Network's mainnet 1.0 release occurred in September 2020, with an initial supply of 100 million pre-mined AKT tokens and the maximum limit of 388,539,008 AKT tokens. The initial supply was split between the investors, the Akash Network Foundation, and the team itself. The project initiated a public sale of 1,800,000 AKTs. About 75% of the maximum supply of AKT will eventually be distributed as network rewards, which will gradually decrease over time. Akash Network launched its mainnet 2.0 in March 2021. What are the benefits of Akash Network? Akash Network's primary target audience is the decentralized finance industry and developers interested in building decentralized applications. Essentially, Akash is a decentralized open source cloud computing marketplace that called itself dCloud for DeFi. Traditional cloud computing refers to the implementation of computing resources, usually in the form of data storage and processing power, that are made available on demand on the web using a so-called pay-as-you-go service model. Cloud service providers allow developers to launch their applications faster, without worrying about configuring and managing servers, but customers typically have limited options in terms of providers, features, and flexibility in hosting space offering, which sometimes remains partially unused. Akash Network represents in this sense a decentralized version of the cloud hosting model, allowing a faster and cheaper experience for developers while maintaining a flexible and efficient model in which developers and their companies can simply pay for what they need when they need. 85% of Akash Network's cloud computing is leveraged by underutilized data centers that already exist. Providers can compete with each other for workloads, which can ultimately reduce costs for developers and end users of products and services developed. Let's talk now about the consensus mechanism and staking. Akash Network's underlying architecture is a proof-of-stake blockchain that uses the Tendermint consensus protocol and is built with interoperability in mind using Cosmos SDK. As a part of the Cosmos Hub, Akash Network exists in a multi-blockchain ecosystem for greater cross-chain interoperability. The primary function of AKT are in staking, which provides security to the network, and in acting as a unit of measure for the price of all currencies supported by the market. Transactions fees and block rewards are denominated in AKT. The stakers are rewarded proportionally to the number of tokens offered, the duration of the blocking time, and the total tokens put into play in the system. Closing times can vary from a month to a year. Flexibility in the block encourages stakers to aim for shorter periods, bear markets, in a self-regulating inflationary system designed to optimize lower price pressure during bear markets. The Supermini. Akash Network also sells a miniature supercomputer dubbed Supermini, which is being marketed as an easy and affordable way for end users to generate passive revenue by becoming a cloud provider on Akash Network. The device is easily configurable for integration with Akash Network's decentralized cloud, so users can rent its capacity and generate AKT tokens from the comfort of their home rather than a data center. Supermini is another force to decentralize cloud computing via the Akash Network. Conclusion. With its progress, Akash Network is well on its way to realizing its vision of becoming a decentralized cloud computing marketplace that provides people with more efficient and cost-effective data assets by partnering with established companies. In this sense, the Akash cryptographic network seeks to improve the structure of the cloud computing industry rather than overturn it. Given its ambitious goal of democratizing cloud storage, this will still pose many challenges, but the Akash Network team looks poised to overcome them. For these reasons, Akash Network could be said to experience huge growth in the near future. If you want to know more about this project, check the official links in the description below and make sure you always do your own research before investing in any project.